So it's just me bragging about the super cool table that I made for my granddaughter. Number one, I made a table. Like, I made a table. How many people make tables? Not many. So I think I'm pretty freaking cool. Okay? Number two, it is a really cool table because look. So here's one thing. When she lifts it up, she's going to see a cute little hiding fish. There's a lot of sawdust on it still, so you know I probably should have cleaned it before I videoed. And then this spins, and these are just little blocks. And then obviously there's a calculator. This stuff is attached. It's called a busy board for toddlers. And then there's like clasps that she can use, like this one. She just lifts it up and puts it down, and she can turn this thing in the middle. And there's a chain latch. And this is velcrow, so she can learn how to use velcrow. And here's a zipper, so she can zip her zipper. And then this is her beautiful chalkboard in the middle. I actually forgot to put this one on, so I better glue it. I'll probably have to screw this one actually. But it's a chalkboard in the middle. And then this is a little mini baby etch-a-sketch, which I think is so cute. So there's her etch-a-sketch, and then this one I like because this is a beautiful pearl. You can't really tell, but it's like a pearlescent knob. There's a crumb on my floor. Nobody look at the crumb. Okay. Crumb cleaned. And then there's this. And there's this. I don't know. Sometimes they like to move these things. And then there's strings, because literally if you're wearing a hoodie or a pair of pants that has strings, like she's just obsessed with strings. And same thing, so this is just a star that I added some shoelaces to so that she could play with the strings. And look at this. Oh my god, it stopped working? Okay, good. I must not have flipped it. So obviously that's extremely bright, but it'll be cool. This one doesn't work. I just added it because, you know, it'll be fun. And then this thing is a box, so it's got little hearts on the side, and I cut a hole in the top. That's why it's not a regular shape, because, you know, I did it myself. And then you take these chips out, and you can put them back in the hole. So they just go in here. I got the chips from the dollar store from a game, and then just to make sure they're, like, choke-proof, I glued two together with E6000, so she ain't getting those apart. And then there's this awesome key ring, and it's got actual keys, but they're not, like, I didn't get them cut, I just bought keys from the hardware store, and all different kinds of things on here. And then here's another cord. This one's got the little plastic things on the bottom. She can't get them off. Don't worry. So, you know, basically I think I'm getting Grandmother of the Year award for this bad boy. Pretty obsessed with it. Interested to see what people think.